Following the announcement of candidates contesting the MDC elections, the Voice of the People Party (VPP) is yet to declare candidates for 6 constituencies. Asking on the pending announcement of candidates for the Khasi Giant Hills region, Basaiawmoit clarified that while the party has announced candidates for most constituencies in Khasi Giant Hills, 6 constituencies, including Mauhati, are still under review by the election committee before the final decision on ticket allocation is made.
Let's say namta kita mendai tangka Mauhati, kita briefly ki constituency hapo Khasi Giant Hills district, baka state election committee kadang sengudi bandang Bishar, bandang Pej, bandang Loket, te ngingin po ban keren alo. Tinggi sengu kemen ban I baling baka jimi juga Voice of the People Party ka I mean sim ka motivate ka inspire ka penslur mo ya ki babun ki samla dan I pergi bamju pos new ya electoral politics su bakini wan skmat ban ya terwaya di kum ki kertong.
National Press Day is